Hi, Dr. Dana Ryan here, Director of Sports Performance and Education for Herbalife Nutrition. At Herbalife, we work with the best athletes in sports nutrition, including Cristiano Ronaldo, to help them push further and excel. With our world-class training facility in California, we're able to study how our Herbalife 24 products can help elevate your athletic performance. This provides crucial insights to our distributors who will help you achieve your goals and workout plan, no matter what your fitness levels are. Since you're watching this, I know all of you are pumped to shape up and tone up. Nutrition is a choice, and I choose Herbalife Nutrition.
Contact your independent Herbalife Nutrition member today for further details.